Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to show you an accumulated haul. I came in the door and I started stacking this stuff because, oh, I want to do a video. Oh, I want to do a video. And then I started pulling stuff out because I needed it and I was sewing with it. So let me show you just a real quick accumulated haul. I'll try to keep it going quick. Walmart had a clearance. This was a different Walmart, not the one by us, when we were traveling, and I got really good deals on these items. Ellie at Ellie Nefrit showed this butterfly dress a while back, this little packet, and it has the shoes. It's two outfits and a pair of shoes. $4, couldn't pass it up. And I can't remember if this is this is the one I bought new. These were $2 for all the Barbie shoes. Thought that was a good deal. And then they had the cord I just bought because I want to do some ankle bracelet beading. And they had eyelashes for $1 a pack. This will do 2 Blythe dolls when you're doing the face-ups because you cut the eyelashes right in half. So I got that. And quite honestly, I don't know what's in this. This was on clearance for 87 cents. I thought, oh, Flamingo. What I'll do with that is undetermined at this point. Oh, I forgot I got this fabric, but I did pull some of this out already. I do know that. Isn't that adorable? The 4th of July fabric with the gnomes. Gnomes are so big. And the bees, the bee prints are just huge. I want to do a top with that and a skirt of this fabric. I thought that was cute. I want to try my machine and see if I can sew this fancy fabric. I don't know what it's called. It's called the fancy fabric. I usually...
It's the official designation.
They had more of it. I really like it. It's so summery and I like it. But my other sewing machine said no to that sort of stuff. Oh, we went to a flea market. What is that, Darren? A couple hours drive? How far is that?
Oh, it's about an hour and a half from us.
About an hour and a half drive. Last Friday or Friday before?
Last Friday.
And we stopped. They have this big Dollar Tree there that's also something else. Is it also Dollar General or? I can't.
Yeah, I think so.
And they had some laces, but look, the bee print, with all the bee fabrics out right now. I thought, well, that'd be really cute to get that ribbon. I usually grab these. Look here, though. These used to be 6 for $1. Now they are 4 for $1.25. However, these, I went ahead and got them because these particular jars have the ring at the top, so you could hang those on a necklace or string them on something for a diorama. Like I make dioramas, but play along. Oh, I love this. Where was this? Walmart. They have those dollar end caps that has the sewing, all kinds of stuff. Pack of needles for $1, pack of Velcro for $1. This was on there. I didn't need it, but I know the price is going to go up soon if you can find them at all. And I really am gathering up Halloween items now. I know you think it's a ways off. When you do 5 videos a week and all the collabs that I do, you think way ahead. Isn't this the cutest fabric? I had seen this before. It was $2.50 a yard, so I got 2 yards. I can use that somewhere, and I got to find it. I have a zebra print. How cute would this be for a fashion doll? Okay, Blythe. It always comes back to Blythe. Having like this for the front of the dress and then that zebra print for the bottom. How cute. I found this at a garage sale this past Friday. It was marked $1. They had an umbrella stroller that I'm going to try to teach my Yorkie to ride in for when we go to like flea markets and stuff. So much easier and smaller than her big stroller. And I got it and a pair of, or a set of stairs, like for small dogs to go up to get on the bed or the couch. And I don't know, I think the total was 16 and I offered her 10 and she took it all. This was quite the find. We went in, down at that flea market that we drove to, there is one of those weird thrift stores that has new stuff too, like they buy it, you know, they find it on clearance and then they resell it. This is Crystal Bailey, and they were marked $10.50 each. And I offered him 15 for both, and he took it, and here they are. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.